Hi everyone, Engineer Pat 5290 coming to you with just a little update on me and the channel. Um, as some of you know, I've been actually working on a little bit more of the videos more recently. I've actually had to step away from the Q&As as well as the live streams for various reasons. Part of it is I've been busy at work, been working like crazy, and I've actually had some personal circumstances I've been in the middle of at home. Everything is fine. It's just I've had some personal stuff going on, and I've been trying to get through a lot of that first. So I do apologize. I know most of the summer the live streams have been kind of quiet, just because of the fact I've had a lot going on right now. But the good thing is I have done a couple of premieres. I've also done a bunch of stuff on the trains, on the model trains. I've done some O-Gate stuff with the new passenger cars for the 726. That's been a pretty big hit right now because I just did a night run of the layout, and that's received a lot of views. So thank you all very much. I've also been working a bunch on the N scale and also getting some stuff together for the future Amtrak train that I've been putting together. So that's been a lot of attention on that, and finding a few pieces here and there, but mostly been working with what I have and just trying to do some more running sessions of the trains and having some fun. Um, I've also been working on some other cars as well, been trying to fix up a few things, here and there, and also been working on some more stuff with the N scale layout. I've actually got some more project plans drawn up with that. As a matter of fact, there were a couple of polls recently. One of them was the name of the river is the Suffolk River. Uh, that actually won the previous poll, and now there is another one to actually name the railroad that is actually on the N scale layout. I've named the layout Tidewater City. Now it's the railroad that actually runs through Tidewater City, and there's four options in my community tab. So if you would like to vote, actually I would request that you vote. Please go to the community section and vote for your favorite. Um, the poll is going to end on the 31st of August, so it's in about a week's time. So please bear in mind the fact you have some time, but it's not a lot. So be on the lookout with that. But lots of things have been coming in. I've actually got some Amtrak stuff, and even the lighted passenger cars. My lighted Am fleets have been a really big hit right now. Those were pretty cool that I recently found. And those are actually Bachmans to answer that question. They're probably I would say they were built about the 70s or the 80s, and they were in really good shape when I found them. The only thing those are going to get is new knuckles where everything will have like components, which means the same. My Kato equipment, the material handling car and the baggage car all have knuckles. One of the observation cars, one of two that I have, the Model Power one has got knuckles on it now, so that's a plus. I'm actually going to be working on getting the other stuff upgraded before too long to knuckle couplers and getting the Amtrak set fully together. So that's one of the projects I've been slowly working on over the past couple of months. So I'm actually working on another billboard to name the railroad. I've actually got the pieces cut for it and actually most of it painted. Just on the 31st, once the name of the railroad is announced, I'll be able to finish the billboard and actually put it up and put up on the layout. So that's going to be a new piece added for the layout. Um, Let me think here. Let me think here. 628's been running pretty well. I've also been trying to um, get maybe another couple of cars for Buster. I don't know yet, but hopefully in the near future this will be fully completed. I've actually taken a break from that, but been working on mostly the rolling stock stuff. The container car that I recently found has also been a pretty big hit. It's a Walthers, and I was very surprised that I was able to make the 11 and a quarter inch radius, which I was very happy with, and it's a really nice car. And they're actually nice and heavy. So it actually had Microtrains parts on it when I got it, so I was very happy with that. Um, so the previous three passenger cars on the multi-point inspection video actually were made by Western Depot, which I had never heard of the brand, but I think they were sort of like Model Power. Um, but those cars, after doing that inspection, the wheels on all three cars were extremely dirty. I inherited those from a friend of mine who bought them when he first got started. One of those cards I actually fixed for him and did some maintenance to it, but the other two received an overhaul, and then now all three of those cards will be getting Knuckles before too long. So lots of stuff is being taken place. It's just not a lot's been happening very quickly, but I will say this: progress has been made, but it's just a little bit slow. So I apologize, but the good thing is videos are still coming out. I will get back to premieres before too long. I've got a lot of stuff to edit, so I've got some projects I'm working on. So stay tuned for that. So anyway, guys, smash the like button, drop a comment down below, hit that subscribe button, tap the notification bell, where you get all the latest updates. And I will see y'all soon. Take care, and I'll see you down the main. And please remember to vote in the community tab, where the voting will end on August the 31st. So, guys, go on over there, lock your votes in, and I look forward to seeing the final results. Take care, guys, and may God bless.